Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Grafana on a VPS with Prometheus data sources, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Grafana on a VPS with Prometheus data sources, start by connecting to your VPS via SSH. Use a terminal application and enter your VPS credentials. Once connected, update the package index on your system. For Debian-based systems, run sudo apt update. If you are using Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update. Next, install the necessary dependencies for Grafana. On Debian-based systems, use sudo apt install y software properties common. For Red Hat-based systems, ensure you have sudo yum install y yum utils. Add the Grafana GPG key to your system for secure installation. For Debian-based systems, execute git qo https://packages.grafana.com/gpg.key. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo rpm import https://packages.grafana.com/gpg.key. Now, add the Grafana repository to your system. On Debian-based systems, run sudo apt repository deb https://packages.grafana.com/oss/repo/deb-stable-main. For Red Hat-based systems, execute sudo yum config manager add repo https://packages.grafana.com/. Update your package index again to include the new Grafana repository. Run sudo apt update for Debian or sudo yum make cache for Red Hat. Now, install Grafana by executing sudo apt install Grafana on Debian-based systems. Alternatively, use sudo yum install Grafana on Red Hat-based systems. Once the installation is complete, start the Grafana service. For systemd systems, run sudo systemd start Grafana server. Enable Grafana to start on boot with sudo systemd enable Grafana server. Verify that Grafana is running by checking its status. Execute sudo systemd status Grafana server to confirm it is active. Now, open your web browser and enter the IP address of your VPS followed by port 3000. For example, http://your_VPS_IP 3000. You should see the Grafana login page. Log in using the default credentials, username is admin and the password is admin. You'll be prompted to change the password upon first login. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.